Today I want to show you how to use your Osmo Pocket 3 and get good slow motion video in vertical. And I'm going to show you how to use it in vertical because if you've tried it, it doesn't shoot like this slow motion in vertical. Right now I'm in regular video, but if I click this and then I go down to slow motion, it will automatically change it to horizontal. And that's a problem because a lot of video online, shorts, reels, and all that fun stuff is done in vertical. And you want some good slow motion for that. So it's real simple, actually. All you have to do is take your Osmo Pocket 3 and just do this job. And now it will not change the screen. So the screen still looks like this. So I recommend go ahead and rotate your screen. And when you rotate your screen, you're seeing it like this. So that's me, vertical slow motion. It operates just like it does in standard gimbal mode. Your joystick does all the same stuff that it would do. If you double tap it, you get it where it's going to center for you. If you triple tap, it'll flip around for you. And then to operate the slow-mo, you just hit record, and I'm going to... And what's really cool about this is when you preview it, I recommend you go ahead and turn it upright. Go ahead and turn your screen this way so your preview is going to show you, and it will actually already have rotated it for you because the camera knows that you turned it sideways. So let's swipe over the preview, and it's showing my stupid face doing some stuff. It works great. You just have to think about holding your camera differently. And the reason I thought of doing this is because I had the Pocket 2 before, and it didn't shoot vertical like the Pocket 3 does where you can hold it standard and shoot vertical. So just a couple tips on how to operate your gimbal while it is in this mode where you turn sideways. So the faster you turn it sideways, not to an extent, the better. So just give it a nice turn. Don't hesitate, and it will adapt to you turning it sideways. I'm going to go ahead and have my screen so I get the most out of it. And then when I operate it to get the steadiest shot, I'm using my thumb, probably your right hand. If you're right-handed, I'm left-handed. So I'm using my left thumb on the joystick, and I'm just going to support with my other hand here. So support with both hands to get your smoothest movement. The beauty of slow-mo is you don't see those jitters as much, but still try. So try your best, get the smoothest movement you can by supporting with the other hand. Again, the joystick will operate just as it does in the other modes. So I hope this helped you get slow motion vertical to use on your reels and shorts and other fun TikToks and all that stuff. If it did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel to get more videos on the Pocket 3, budget videography tips, tricks, and all that fun stuff. Now, I did just get back from my vacation on a Disney Magic cruise, and I'm doing a video on it, which I shot fully with this guy. But until I get that video out next week, go ahead and check out my full Pocket 3 playlist here because I'm sure you'll find some other interesting stuff on it. And go shoot something awesome. Don't forget to post your work so people can see it and be proud of your work. Peace out, guys. I'll see you next week with that other one. Later.